So Happy, tell me which locations we will cover today.
Al Nada to Pond Park. See, this pond, this park.
This is a small pond inside the park. If we will talk about the track, this park is made for running, cycling, like that. See how beautiful flowers are this.
Al Nada.
So this is the lovely morning in Dubai. I was shooting before, but the mode was not operational. I don't think. I'm sorry for that. If I will say, I want to show you Al Nada Pond Park in Dubai. Al Nada Pond Park. This is Al Jawad Mini Mart, from where this is 24 hours open.
Mosque बड़ी सोहनी लगदी है.
And see, in front of this area there is a very beautiful mosque. How it looks beautiful. And I am lucky who has seen. I am visiting first time Dubai and I have seen the clouds. See, it's raining. How the clouds are. It's raining in morning in Dubai. And my cousin is saying that you are so lucky that you have seen the rain in Dubai. So I am lucky one. I am happy to see that. This is Mini Mart, which is 24 hour open. You can buy your groceries and other things like that.
You happy because I am happy.
You should be happy because my cousin name is Happy.
Happy.
My cousin name is Happy, absolutely right. So he just show me one thing. In this, there are the machines like this, which are just placed inside the parks. And if you want to drink water, then you need to pay 1 AED. One second. You need to pay 1 AED for that. And if you want to,
My one water. ये पानी ले आओ special.
yes, this is only for water. This is only for water. So sometimes.
ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਨਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਈ ਆ.
So the water machine is placed inside this park because everybody is coming for here cycling. So there are different tracks made for cycling as well as for running. Okay, so this track is made for cycling, and if you want to go for a run, then this special 1200 meter track is made for running. So this is like this. This is the 1200 meter track, and just see the quality of the track. If you want to do the run, this track is made of, means this is pressing.
Fiber.
This track is made of fiber, I think so. Let's see
Rubber.
how it's pressing.
Rubber.
Means so that there should be no any injuries like that. This track is made very fine quality if you want to go for a run. And I just want to show you how this area is surrounded by a beautiful pond. And the one thing my cousin told me, that before starting the work of any park, the first work in the Dubai
Piping.
is just to lay out the piping, water pipes, because inside the rumble it's very difficult to to grow the grass. So they are piping, doing the water pipes, so that inside the rumble the grass should be grown. See how beautiful is this. See, so the water is automatically coming out from these piping like this one. See that. So it is giving the plant water to the plants, because in the hot the water more required. See, every plant is covered by a different pipe. Every plant in the park. What a beautiful technology they are using. What a beautiful. So they are not just planting, but they are surviving the plants. I mean, they are surviving the plants. Automatically water will come.
ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਮਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੂ, ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਹਾਰਟੀਕਲਚਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੂ.
Then how? My cousin is saying that there is no any type of gardener for the parks.
No.
How they are managing, I don't know. So there is a very cool pond, a very beautiful pond inside the park.
ਕਾ ਦੇਖ ਕਾ ਦੇਖ
And the grass is so puffing. It's not a like a normal grass. It's very, if you will you will feel like a bed if you are sleeping on a quilt, if you are sleeping on a.
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਰ ਆ ਤੇ ਰੰਬਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਘਾਹ.
So just think, imagine if you are in a desert area or in a rumble, how you can grow this type of grass, yaar. It's very amazing. It's not like that, it's amazing. They are maintaining the grass. They are, because of water pipelines, you know. This is a small and beautiful pond in this park. In this park, see. So this is a lovely morning. See how the clouds. Very nice weather. A cool wind is blowing. You are feeling refreshed. You are feeling fresh. And this is the man who is company and providing me lot of knowledge. He is happy. Happy makes me happy because his name is Happy. So Happy is saying that today we will not go. So Happy,
Burj
tell me, आज हम कहाँ जाने वाले हैं?
आज जाएंगे उधर,
आज जाएंगे हम गार्डन
जाएंगे ते ग्लोबल विलेज जाएंगे और मेरिकल गार्डन, फ्लाई गार्डन.
So today Happy just want to cover the gardens, you know, a miracle garden,
ग्लोबल विलेज.
global village, and he is
ग्लोबल विलेज की एक खासियत है वहाँ पे, जहाँ पे जैसे दुबई में टूरिस्ट विलेज है, टूरिस्ट प्लेस है ये, ग्लोबल विलेज में हर एक कंट्री का हर एक कल्चर मिलेगा.
So global village is just like a united culture. I mean, if you want to see all the culture united na, then you must visit the.
जैसे हम पंजाबी हैं वहाँ पे
Hi.
पंजाबियों का कल्चर.
Good morning. Hope you are doing good. Yeah. So.
जैसे हम पंजाबी हैं वहाँ पे पंजाबियों का कल्चर मिलेगा, भंगड़ा मिलेगा, सब.
So
सब
he
कुछ
is saying
मिलेगा.
if you belongs to India and you are from Punjab, then you want to see the bhangra, then in global village you can see that. It's easy. And
Totally.
means each and every country traditions and culture you can see in a global village. So I will prefer you guys that you must be see that the flight is, that is a aircraft in the clouds, that is a aircraft. It's not possible to shoot, but it's okay. So he is saying if you want to, you know, I mean,
कल हम आपको दिखाएंगे बुर्ज खलीफा.
so tomorrow he is planning for the Burj Khalifa, and after that we will go for a desert safari.
डेजर्ट सफारी.
Definitely, he is also saying me that we will go to the Abu Dhabi to see the mosque. But I have seen in the videos many bloggers are covering only the places which are very much famous, like these things. Means if you go to the Burj Khalifa, you just visit the Yach. But I am just showing you the internal life of the Dubai, how they are managing the Dubai, how they are trying to manage the Dubai with the plantation in this desert area, how the parks has been managed, how the people are living. I am showing you the everything. So I am trying to cover all the personal life, means the people who are living here from the outside of the countries. I mean outsiders, means some people are from Pakistan, some people are from India, some people are from India. So many people came from the different countries to do the work here because it's the tourist place and it's the hub of the tourism. So everybody is coming and easy to get the work. The main work I have seen for the people who are coming from the India, I mean my brother, they are doing the taxi. They are driving the taxis. They are working in a taxi company and they are just driving the taxis. So that's the work of my cousin. And he is exploring me, he is telling me many things in the Dubai. As I have told you earlier about this park is made for your health. So they are not simply thinking about one thing, they are not stressing in a particular field. They are releasing you the power to give you the health for by doing any type of running. They are giving you the best convenience, they are giving you the best facilities. You need to adopt that. So okay, I will catch you later. Now I am going for a running. So thank you very much. See you guys. Bye.